Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Mr. K English Channel podcast.
Hi, friends. I'm Bunie.
And I'm Kay. Thanks for listening today.
Today, we have a simple topic, learning English every day.
Yes, not once a week, not only when you feel motivated, every day. Before we start, I have a quick favor.
If you like learning English with easy conversations, please support the show.
Please like this episode and subscribe to Mr. K English Channel.
And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next podcast.
Also, leave a comment. We read your comments.
Comment this question. Where are you listening from?
And one more. How many minutes a day can you study English?
If you know a friend who wants to learn English, please share this episode with them.
Thank you. Your support helps us make more lessons. Bunie, can I ask you something?
Sure, Mr. K. Go ahead.
Why do people study English for one day, then stop for a week?
Because they think they need a lot of time.
Like 2 hours a day. Exactly. But the truth is different.
What's the truth?
Small practice every day is better than big practice once in a while.
I agree. Even 10 minutes can help.
Yes, 10 minutes is real practice.
And it's easier to keep a habit.
Right. Today, we will share a daily routine, step by step.
Simple steps, easy English.
Step 1. Morning routine. Let's start with the morning.
Morning is a good time because your brain is fresh.
Yes, when you wake up, you can start your English brain.
You can do it in bed
Or while brushing your teeth.
or while making coffee.
Let's practice 3 morning sentences. Ready?
Ready.
Repeat after me. I will practice English today.
I will practice English today.
I will speak slowly and clearly.
I will speak slowly and clearly.
I can improve step by step.
I can improve step by step.
Great! Now let's say them again with I'm going to.
Okay.
I'm going to practice English today.
I'm going to practice English today.
I'm going to speak slowly and clearly.
I'm going to speak slowly and clearly.
I'm going to improve step by step.
I'm going to improve step by step.
Nice! That's your morning warm-up.
It's short, but it works.
Step 2. Listening routine. Commute, walking.
Next is listening practice.
This is perfect when you are outside
On the bus, on the train, or walking.
or sitting in a coffee shop.
Many people listen, but they don't repeat.
That's why shadowing is important.
Yes, shadowing means you listen and repeat at the same time,
Even if you repeat quietly.
even if you whisper.
Let's practice 4 short lines.
Repeat after me. How's it going?
How's it going?
I'm doing well.
I'm doing well.
What are you up to?
What are you up to?
I'm heading to work.
I'm heading to work.
Good. Now again, slower.
Okay.
How's it going?
How's it going?
I'm doing well.
I'm doing well.
What are you up to?
What are you up to?
I'm heading to work.
I'm heading to work. If you do that every day, your speaking will feel easier.
Yes, your mouth learns the rhythm.
Step 3. Lunch break routine. Real phrases.
Now, let's talk about lunch break English.
I love lunch break English because it's real life.
Exactly. Real phrases you actually use.
Let's practice ordering food.
Great. I will be the staff. You will be the customer.
Perfect.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Can I get a chicken salad, please?
Sure. Any changes?
No onions, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
That's all?
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
Great. Your total is $10.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
That was easy and useful.
Yes, and you can change the food words. Chicken can become tuna.
Or beef or vegetarian.
Water can become coffee.
Exactly.
Step 4. Afternoon routine. Talk to yourself.
Kay, what about speaking practice when you are alone?
That's important. Many people wait for a partner.
But you can practice alone.
Yes, you can talk to yourself for 1 minute.
1 minute is not scary.
Right, here's a simple pattern. Right now,
Right now,
I need to.
I need to.
After that, I will.
After that, I will.
Let's do an example.
Okay.
Right now, I'm working.
Right now, I'm working.
I need to finish my task.
I need to finish my task.
After that, I will take a short break.
After that, I will take a short break. That feels natural.
Yes, and it trains your brain to form sentences fast.
Step 5. Evening routine. Review, speak, write.
Now, the evening routine.
This is the most powerful part.
Because you review. Review makes memory strong.
What should we review first?
Vocabulary, but keep it small. Only 5 words.
Okay, let's choose 5 words. Practice, repeat, slowly, clearly, improve.
Great! Now make short sentences. I practice every day.
I practice every day.
I repeat the sentence.
I repeat the sentence.
I speak slowly.
I speak slowly.
I speak slowly.
I speak slowly.
I speak clearly.
I speak clearly.
I improve step by step.
I improve step by step.
Excellent. Next is a 1-minute story.
About your day, simple past tense.
Here is a model story.
Let's hear it.
Today, I woke up early. I studied English for 5 minutes. I went to work. I listened to English on the way. At lunch, I practiced phrases. In the evening, I reviewed vocabulary. I feel proud.
That story is simple, but it's complete.
Yes, simple English is strong English.
And the last part is writing.
Yes, only 2 lines.
Line 1. Today I learned blank.
Line 2, tomorrow I will blank.
Example, today I learned I'm heading to work.
Tomorrow I will practice shadowing.
2 lines a day is easy.
And it builds your English over time. Quick reminder, if this episode helps, please subscribe and leave a comment.
And share it with one friend who wants to improve English.
It really supports the channel. Thank you.
Kate, what if someone is very busy?
Then use English moments, small moments in your day.
Like changing your phone language to English.
Or reading one short post in English.
Or saying one English sentence before sleep.
Exactly.
So the secret is simple.
Small steps, every day.
Not perfect, just consistent.
Yes, progress is daily.
Before we go, let's ask the listeners a question.
Good idea. Which step is easiest for you? Morning, listening, lunch phrases, talking to yourself, or evening review?
And how many minutes will you study tomorrow?
Thanks for listening to the Mr. K English Channel podcast.
Keep practicing every day.
Step by step.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.